How to connect Bitget wallet to Tomarket app. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and search for Tomarket on your device and open the Tomarket app. Now on the Tomarket app, go ahead and head over to the wallet section. Then here, go ahead and click on the download button beside the download wallet. Now this will redirect you to a new page where you can select between downloading the APK of this app, downloading the app on Google Play Store. Go ahead and download Bitget Wallet on the Google Play Store. Once it's installed on your device, you can go ahead and create an account on the platform. So you can see in here, you can create a wallet or import a wallet. Go ahead and click on create a wallet and click on I agree. Now in here, you'll need to create a PIN for your wallet. After that, your Bitget wallet will be processed. Now once the process is done, your Bitget wallet is ready, you can go ahead and connect your Bitget wallet to your Tomarket app. And here, go ahead and click on the connect button beside the connect wallet, and this will redirect you to Bitget wallet. Now in here, go ahead and click on the approve button to approve the connection between your Tomarket app and your Bitget wallet. Now you can return to the website or stay in the wallet, and now after that, your Bitget wallet will be connected to your Tomarket app. And that's how you can simply connect Tomarket app to Bitget wallet.